So tonight I wanted to create a simple little sign for you to put in your laundry room because we could all use that extra little something when we walk into that laundry room to do that daily chore that we do. So I have cut apart our transfer and I'm placing this on a whitewash wooden board. And remember, you can use wood, you can use chalkboards, you can use canvas, you can put this on mirrors, you can apply this to walls. And this would even be really cute if you wanted to. You could put it on your washer and dryer. And then the other nice thing is that all of our transfers at Chalk Couture are reusable. So if, when you're completed with your project, you put them in water, you clean them off with Clorox wipes, you let them air dry, and then you put them on the backing so that if you wanted to do it for another project, you can use them for that as well. And that's why I love Chalk Couture, because you can create so many home decor items in so many different places. It's very versatile and there's endless possibilities. So get in touch with me. Let's get chalkinwithjen.com to make beautiful projects like this one right here. So I look forward to talking with you soon, and I hope you have a great evening.